Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basel on November 25, 2022, 4 hours Sudoku. Third row on 7th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th row on 1st grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Third also we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Column J, second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. The 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row and second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. In 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column J, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. The 8 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 103. 7 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Second row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Sixth row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row and third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Third row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 3. Column E, column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Second row, third row, column E, we have pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then the fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then first grid, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 9. Column F, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then fifth row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 7. Column E, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then seventh row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.